How to change your account location, country, reason on Roblox. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a very clear, honest way to change your account, country, or reason on Roblox. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, let's go ahead and check it out on roblox.com. So go to roblox.com if you're not logged in. And within there, we can head over to the settings option in the top right, gear icon, select it and look out for settings and open up our settings. Now within settings, what we can do is we can just go over and look out for this option called account location. And you can see we do not have an edit option like we do for other options here. So the thing is, you cannot manually change your country or reason in Roblox settings. Roblox auto detects your reason based on your IP location and your payment method and your account activity over time. There is no edit country button for that. So what we can do instead is, if you have moved to another country or if you live in a new country for some time, you can log in regularly from that country, and you can also look out for their local internet connection and connect it. And while you're going with the payment process, you can instead use the payment option from that country, and after some time, Roblox should update your reason automatically. That is one of the methods possible. Apart from that, you can contact Roblox support if that does not work. So we can go to roblox.com/support. And once you go over there, we will be finding this form right here. We need to fill it up, provide in your username, your first name, your email address, etc. And in this type of help category, you can just go and select this option for account, reason, etc. Find it up, experience journey or something like that, and in this describe your issue section, you can provide in that Roblox has detected the wrong reason. So provide in the description of your issue a whole description which should be convincing, and click on continue option and submit it. Roblox may ask for proof such as billing info, ID, or IP history. You can provide it up and you can just go over and change the reason that way. And that's it. Usually this is one of the safest way you can follow up if you want to change your Roblox country or reason and language on Roblox. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.